come to Ore Farms with us. Have you been glamping before? So this is us checking out the teepee, and it was most definitely a sight to see. We had a king size bed and two bunk beds. Connor and his dad did some steak, potatoes, and we had another side. We had access to the entire farm, and the kids enjoyed the amenities that was there, and I enjoyed the amenities as well. It was nice sightseeing and just checking out everything. Hubby enjoyed the things. This is the dig zone, and my mom also joined us for this outing. This is Carson, having a good time, and me just making sure everything is on point. But yes, this is Ore Family Farm in Oklahoma City. We went and we stayed. We did a little staycation here with the kids, and they enjoyed everything. But what we enjoyed the most is just having access to the farm as well. We did a night fire and just overlook the stars, and this is just some of the other things that's on the property. So this was a great glamping experience for us. We really enjoyed it. And this is Connor prepping to cook, just using the outdoor station. We had our fire going and hubby in the cut just waiting. So this is when once night fell and Carson and Connor and Cohen doing their thing. And they also had an indoor like pool. So Carson, of course, had to get in the pool, and it was very nice. And this is me once again enjoying the amenities. So yes, I will most definitely recommend Or Family Farm in Oklahoma. 10 out of 10. Great experience, great stay if you want to take your family glamping. Please like and subscribe for more family videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.